How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing the Nokia T20. So currently I've been editing on my phone so much, so I thought I should get a tablet to do some of the work. I saw the ad of the Nokia T20 on YouTube and decided to buy it. I've already broken the seal here, but let me open it. So this is the tablet. It's a 10.4 inch. Let's put it aside. Inside the box you get user manuals. This one is in English, safety info, and a Swahili user manual. I guess this tablet was manufactured with Kenyan use in mind. You have a 10 watt power brick. And a USB cable type C. So you don't get anything else inside the box. You have your SIM ejector tool here, which is hidden, cannot fall out by itself. Let's quickly check out the phone itself. The tablet, sorry, but it's a phone. As you can read from here, it has a 2K resolution with low blue light certified display. It has stereo speakers, dual microphones. You can see stereo speakers and dual microphones here at the top or at the side, depending on how you're going to use it, but I guess this is the top because the selfie camera is up here. It is an octa-core processor with an 8200 milliamp battery, which supports 10 watts fast charging. You get a 3-year monthly security update. It has phase unlock and 2 years OS upgrade. That's why I love Nokia phones. You are given a 2-year major OS upgrade. So this comes with Android 11, so it's going to upgrade to Android 12 and Android 13, and it also has Google Kids Space. I'm going to find out what that is in future. It also has an earphone jack, a headphone jack, and you can see under here you have your USB-C port. Yeah, and it's in, what is the color they're calling it? Ocean blue with a metallic finish at the back. So you can see the camera there. It's an 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. So let me pull this off and turn it on. The screen is huge, so it's a fingerprint magnet. Powered by Android. It runs Android 1. It's almost similar to the stock Android you get in the Pixel phones. The classic Nokia turn on, power on tune. So I bought this tablet for the purpose of some workspace that I want to be doing. As I told you, recently I've been editing on my phone. Yeah, so as I was saying, yeah, so guys, I told you I'm planning to do more work on my phone, so I had to buy a bigger form factor. I believe it's a capable tablet. Yeah, so as you can see, it is running Google One, almost the stock Android that you get in Google Pixels. It comes with pre-installed apps like Netflix, Google Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube Kids, YouTube Music, ExpressVPN, and Google Kids Space. Yeah, so those apps come pre-installed in the Nokia T20 tablet. Let us test the speakers on this tablet, as they are stereo speakers. Let me search one of my videos. Subscribe, guys, for more content like this. We'll be doing many more unboxings in future. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another AG Auto review. The car that we're going to be checking out today is the 2015 Honda Vezel Hybrid. So this is a crossover SUV. First, let's check out the exterior. Yeah, so the speakers in the Nokia T20 tablet are very, very loud, and as they are stereo, they have a very, very great quality, which is very nice if you are doing some video editing on this tablet. The screen is, let me search some 4K videos. So guys, as you can see, this tablet is very, very color accurate. It has a 2K resolution. So on YouTube, if you're playing content on YouTube, it cannot allow you to go higher than 1080p 60 frames per second. But it's very, very clear. You can't notice. Not everyone will notice it's not 4K. It has very, very vibrant colors. As you can see, you can't notice it's not 4K, you can't notice it's 1080p, but it is very, very clear to the naked eye. I love the build quality of this tablet. It is very sturdy. Let's check out the camera quality. The camera is not great, obviously, because it's an 8 megapixel, and since it's in the night, it is struggling with the light. You can see the camera quality, it's not very great. Also the selfie camera, the same, because it's a 5 megapixel. I don't have to try it out, but so far I'm loving the overall aesthetics. As you can see, everything you get with the Google One software you're getting here. What else can I try? For the storage, as you can see, it has a 64 GB internal storage, which you can it has a micro SD port, which is also in the same place where you get your SIM card port. It has a micro SD port. You can install a 128 gigabyte SD card with a RAM of 2 GB, which is let me say sufficient. I've not tried using it and see if the 2 GB delivers it, serves it justice, but I'll be trying it and show you a follow-up video on my user experience with the Nokia T20. And that's all you need to know about the Nokia T20. So far I'm loving how it looks, and for the price, I guess you can get a better tablet with the price of this Nokia T20, but let me not judge first before I use it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and